Now that the Civic is painted, we can finally go ahead and start making this car look a little bit more complete. Today we got new headlights, new taillights, and we're gonna put some old hardware back on so the car is actually one piece and not held together by zip ties. And I'm really excited because I think this stuff looks so freaking dope. What is going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. As I previously said, I have parts waiting because I wanted to get the car completely painted and clear coated, and now that it is and it's looking pretty good, we're gonna start slapping on some parts, and I can't be more excited because I think this is really gonna transform the whole look of the car. So these new headlights and taillights I got are both from Amazon, so I will have them linked in the bio below. So if you guys want them, make sure you guys pick them up and use my link. So the first thing I think we're gonna do is go with the taillights, because the headlights are gonna have some extra wiring that I'm gonna have to somehow figure out, and I'm not the best at wiring. So we're gonna start with the taillights. So I'm really excited to show these ones off. These are just some Amazon special taillights that I picked up, and I think they were under like 50 bucks. And honestly, I think they're so cool. They're modern enough, they look classic enough. I just think it's a really good compromise in between. I always wanted this car to look a little bit more modern with some fancier lighting, and a lot of aftermarket taillights for the Civic I'm not happy with because I just think they're ugly because they all look like this. So I think this is a good compromise. So we're gonna throw these in, and hopefully they're a seamless, easy install. So I'm pretty sure we installed that right, but I could be completely wrong. So I'm gonna quickly close the garage door and see if we can see the brake light turn on. Now these are cheap taillights, and we have a few fitment issues, but honestly they fit really good. Now this car has some wonky parts, and that's why the driver's side looks as wonky as it does. Passenger side honestly looks pretty good. Again, there's some fitment issues because they are super cheap. I'm sure if I fix the one trim piece, that one piece will go back in, and if I just adjust the screws more, I can probably mess with the other side. But we'll do a whole edit on this in a little bit, and I wish I had another tire on here so I could actually pull it out in the sun. But honestly, I think this looks really good so far. It's a bit of a modern OEM plus sort of look. Now these headlights are the thing I am most excited for. Check these things out. They got the DRL, they got a freaking projector. I just think they look so freaking cool, and I've been looking forward to these literally since I bought the Civic, and I got them for a good price on Amazon, so hopefully they work well. Now these headlights do already come with bulbs, but we are actually going to be working with AUTOONE, and they are the best LED light company you could possibly ask for. I'm running them on the Fit, I'm running them on this car already, but for these new lights, they sent me new bulbs, so we're going to throw these ones in, and these will make the projectors on this thing shine like no other. No pun intended, kind of intended. Now the nice thing about AUTOONE headlights is besides their super nice packaging and feels very premium, they are complete plug and play lights, as in everything is in here, and you don't need to have any other wires, resistors, capacitors, or anything. They just plug in exactly where your old ones went. They're already cool, they have fans built in, and they're super, super bright. And I don't know what the lumens are, but we're just gonna say that they're bright. Now, I really didn't explain this at all when I did the other side, so I'll explain it now. So on the turn signal side of the bulb, you're going to cut the red and black wire and splice it in with the power wire of the DRL. And then I grounded it to the chassis side on the fender. I guess you could really ground it to a different wire if you want to, but I just did it that way for, well, I just did. I don't really have a reason why. So just red to black for your power and then black to a ground. So now I should flip on the headlights, all the projectors should come on and all the DRLs should come on. Dude, these boomerangs look so freaking dope, especially with these AUTOONE LED headlight bulbs in here. Everything is so bright, it looks modern, it looks so freaking dope. This is incredibly cool. Now, the goal was to debut this car as it stands right now at a car show tomorrow, but I don't think it's gonna happen just because I need to get another wheel, first of all, because you can't drive around on 3 wheels. And 2, I have to put my fender things back on. But the problem is I need to turn my wheel, and I don't really want to turn my wheel when I'm only on 3 wheels because it doesn't seem safe. So we're gonna have to not do that right now. But maybe tomorrow morning, I'll wake up early enough, we can actually get this done and we can maybe take it, we'll see. Honestly, this car is so close, and I was trying to test fitting some wheels today, the wheels that I built for this car, and the clearance is so close that I'm actually not entirely sure we're gonna be able to run them, which kind of sucks if that is the case, but I have a backup plan if that is the case. But guys, the Civic is almost done, so let me get another tire on here and we're gonna finish putting her back together from paint. Now, the front of the car is fully put back together, and honestly, this car looks so freaking good now, and it looks so good. And it's just amazing seeing the Civic like this. And I have a before picture and an after picture where it's at now, but I don't know if I'm gonna show that off just now because I kind of want to put the new wheels on before we do that. And I'm trying to do an edit and it's pouring outside. That's why my garage is closed. So I might do a little small edit in here to show off the new headlights and taillights. But guys, this car, like, it looks so freaking good and I can't even stand it. Like, this is making me smile so much. So, because I want to put this video out on time, it's gonna be a poor quality edit in the garage, but hey, it's better than nothing, right? Now, I wish I had more space in here to do a better edit, but you know, sometimes we gotta work with what we got. But these headlights are like the coolest thing. The taillights are freaking dope. The car's put back together for once, and honestly, I'm super pleased with it. And these AUTOONE headlight bulbs are incredibly bright. They're LEDs, they last a lifetime, and just, you guys need to check them out. I have a code, I will put it right here. I don't remember the code right now, but when I do get it, I'll put it right here. Now, in the meantime, while I'm still trying to source tires for this car, I think what I'm going to do is actually repurpose the fit wheels and kind of trade wheels with the car. I kind of want to redo them in white because I think white and green looks pretty cool. And even if I put the fit wheels back on the fit, I think white and blue will still look pretty good. But if I can find tires for my custom wheels, they're going to go straight on. But guys, the Civic is like coming together so well, and it's just so freaking exciting. And as I said before, I'm going to put all the links of where I got the headlights and taillights and the bulb and everything that I have on this car pretty much from Amazon is in my bio, so make sure you guys check it out. The Civic is like 90% of the way done on the outside to be completely finished, and to me that just blows my mind. Just seeing where this car has come from to what it is now. Yeah, there's still a lot more this car needs, and the interior is definitely going to be next because the outside is pretty much done. It just needs a few more touch-up things, a few more parts, and the outside is going to be freaking mint, and that is just so exciting for me. Inside and then performance is going to be last. Sorry, I know you guys want performance first, but performance will be last. I don't even know what to say anymore. I'm just excited right now. So I'm gonna leave you guys off here. So if you guys could please do me a few things, comment, like, subscribe, keep doing the fun stuff, keep doing you, stay motivated. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out and peace.